Guys, so I'm just playing Bloxburg, and I was invited to a party, so I just went because I still have to like do my house. I have like so why not? Okay, so we're here at Wesley 1248 house. Um, okay, what is this? Oh, this is a cafe. This is a cafe. Okay, okay. It is a very strange cafe. This okay. Um, it is really cool though. I wonder if you can make like other food than hot dogs and all that stuff that you can first cook. Uh, Let me see. Oh, food? Oh, yes, this is a cafe or restaurant or whatever, however you want to say it. And now she's washing her hands. I don't know. I don't. She's washing her hands behind the counter. Um, Food. Okay, I want food. Okay. I don't know. I don't want to push him to level up in cooking, so I'm just going to, ask him for like something he can actually cook. So, um, yeah. So I'm just sitting. It's very, very uncomfortable. Um, he's working on it. This is taking a while, but it does take a long time to cook because of the update. Okay, Cinco money. What? I don't. I don't even know. Cinco money. What is? I can't even say it. Oh, hot dog. You know what? I'm just gonna pay you $8. Like I don't know, like 5. Wait. Oh, it's 5. That's $5. Okay, there you go. Nice. Okay, I actually gave him how much he wanted. Okay, I'm just gonna take these. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go. Oh my god, look at her house. It's so nice. Okay, well, I'm getting distracted. Um, okay, that was a pretty cool cafe. Okay, what should we do next? I have no idea. Well, I'll just make a new video, and yeah, I'll make a new video for building my house and how I do it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.